Does she trying to flirt with you?
As long as it's you saying it and not my fine rice wine.
Make it in for you.
By the minute.
I should check the barricades, make sure everyone's free.
Everyone's asleep.
Just an idea. Confession.
Maybe I should be the shepherd.
Well, I haven't seen it yet.
To kiss me since they showed you my guns.
See, I ship him with Inara for sure, but I prefer him flirting with her like that and all than with Saffron. Like, it feels more logical, realistic, and sexy.
I ain't her.
I might be gone so you and me.
You didn't want him to use you like you were Inara. Interesting. You know his feelings for Inara.
Malcolm Reynolds.
Yes, I know. How many has he got with him?
Just a few.
You, I hope that it's a part of Mal's plan. That you...
Seems the Heart of Gold's got himself a few mercenaries. Now, Shari here. She understands a whore's place, don't she? They've no respect for the sanctity of fatherhood, or decency, or family.
Of patriarchy.
We will show them what power is. We will show them what their position in this town.
Yesterday I was wearing my feminist shirt. I should have worn it today. Excuse me, you savage fucking...
Are you fine today?
Help, please.
No, I got it. I think
So you took to bed with Mandy. I'm glad.
You are?
I just didn't want you thinking
What?
I was taking advantage of a friend, so you're okay. Well, yeah, what?
You want her to be jealous.
I'm a little appalled at her taste.
He did it for himself, you know, not to make her jealous, but right there, he wanted her to be jealous. You know what? I'm sorry, but I'm glad. I'm taking that as a confession of your feelings for Mal. I'm not blaming him, you know, he was flirting with Nandi, she was nice and sweet and sexy, you know. I would have loved for him to not do it for Inara and all, but maybe it would have been not logical with his character.
Jane, you are where you are.
Hey, look at me. This is just a moment in time.
River, you're gonna feel if something is wrong and you're gonna say it and you're gonna help.
No, I thought it was just him. Mandy believed me I would find.
You didn't know that your friend has feelings. And what? You are trying to cure him, like to take it off his love for Inara by sleeping with him?
My friends.
Oh.
Go to the balcony with me. See everyone's up there.
You didn't give me the whole truth about her feelings for you.
Everything's okay.
We got no shortage of ugly riding in on us, but that don't change the plan.
Anybody here goes down, you drive him to the back and get back to shooting.
Ah! She's quite a woman.
Copy that now.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Kylie, ça you do wash. Ready? Girl power episode.
Jane? I think that's our first service.
Uh-huh. Come on, come on. What? A laser suit? Zoé?
That's it, Henry. One more push.
River. How many of them did you have already? Three? Only three of you? You can deal with that, Wash, come on. Ah! You want them to go there? Close them on the other side? Yes! You're screwed.
Good boy. I'll feed you.
Good morning, Penley. How's my boy?
You're gonna kill her. You don't need her anymore.
Leaving here with it.
This is mine.
That's a real baby.
Child over nice and slow. Or I'll spill more than you can spare.
So sweet. Oh no! Nancy. She was so worried. You're thinking the same, make them pay. Make him pay. Oh, she's never gonna have this conversation about Inara's feeling. The ship, we need the ship. Kylie.
Pay for what you've done. She was
Just a whore.
Yes. You're not like that, man.
I want to see my son!
Rance, this is Jonah.
Jonah?
Jonah, say hi to your dad. Say goodbye to your daddy, Jonah.
Come on. Go on home. You go with him.
How sweet the sound that say right now I
I'm sorry, Inara, for your friend.
I'm glad you were with her last night. I am.
I wish I never met her. I wanted to feel her. But nothing you say will convince me different.
Well, I'm still glad.
So you weren't before? I ain't looking for anything from you.
Let's...
Life's just too damn short for ifs and maybes.
I learned something from Andy. The family she made, the strength of her love for them, it's what kept them together. You live. And that kind of strength can't break away. You never want to. There's something I should have done a long while ago. And I'm sorry. For both of us that it took me this long.
I'm not sure that you're talking about what I think.
Leaving.
I have several things that I want to say during this review. First, for sure I'm gonna talk about the two of them, this shield, this triangle during the episode. Second, I want to talk about the fact that it was a girl power episode, even if we were talking about saving ours, you know, so saving girls who are serving men, you know, in a way, but still the writers did it in a way to make it a girl power episode and the consequences of what happened right there for the next episode. I want to talk about it. Okay, first, this ship. I need to begin with that because I have that in mind just right now. I knew that she was not talking about what we would have loved her to talk during that moment. She was saying stuff about being a part of a family, like should have done something since a long time and all. If it would have been what we wanted to have, it would have been her leaving the companions, finally, to be officially a part of this crew, and because of that she could be allowed to be with Mal, to live, you know, entirely her feelings and all, to accept her feelings and all of that. She didn't accept her feelings before that, she didn't do that, you know, being officially a part of this crew and all of that before, because she was a part of the companions. At the end, her saying, I'm leaving the place, it's because of that also, because she feels that she needs right now to take a side, you know, to choose between being finally a part of this crew or coming back to the companions, but she knows that she can't be in the middle of that, not anymore. Her feelings for Mal are too strong, her implication into the crew, into this team, into what they are doing is too strong. Like during this episode, they did that for her. It was not a mission, you know, they were not paid for doing that and all. They did that for her because it's their friend, she's a part of this crew, a part of this team. Them were ready to die, to do all of that for her. So, she had to choose at the end of this episode because of all of what happened during it. Her feelings for Mal for sure, her confessing finally to herself that she has feelings for him by crying, you know, by being so sad that he slept with her best friend and all. She had to choose. And it's logical with her character and with her development that at this point, you know, into the story, her story, but also the big story, she's not choosing to stay with them. Because the two reasons for her to stay, it's Mal and being a part of this crew. Mal, he slept with someone else during this episode, so she can have doubts about his feelings for her, and you know, she can be afraid also about her feelings for him. And the second part, being a part of this team, of this crew, maybe she was afraid of losing one of them during this episode. She insisted at the beginning for this job, you know, for them to have money for this job, but they didn't want to, so she has a confirmation that they're gonna do what she wants, you know, because she's one of their friends no matter what, so she can be afraid of that also. So it's logical that she's going back with the companions. She had to choose. She chose the companions because it's something that she knows, it's something less complicated. And Nandi, she said it, in Ara, she's like Mal, she doesn't want things which are complicated. So for her to leave the place at the end in front of this choice to choose the companions, it's logical. With her character, with what happened during this episode, with her feelings for Mal, with what she thinks about Mal feelings for her, with this team, what she thinks of this team and what she wants for them and all is logical. So I'm not surprised that at the end she's taking the decision. I'm frustrated by it because I ship the two of them, for sure, but it's not surprising me. She fully, entirely confessed her feelings for him, to herself and also to her best friend. Nandi felt that he has feelings for Inara. He almost confessed his feelings for Inara to Nandi, but I don't think that he confessed his feelings for Inara to himself. He's really on the limit with that. Like right there at the end, all of what he said about that's it, life is short, we need to tell the truth and stuff like that. It was him preparing a confession, but we never saw him really confessing these feelings even to himself. Do you understand what I mean? Or maybe you can say that he did it with his actions, by taking this job without being paid, with a lot of his actions. Come on, during this episode he slept with another woman who is Inara's best friend. That's not an action that I'm gonna take for that, you know. I'm not blaming him for having sex with her, because I prefer that so much than him and Safran together, for sure, because of the fact that they were flirting together, they were having a good time. We saw that, you know, she was pleasing him, he was pleasing her, that they were okay with the situation, the both of them, that they were honest also with the situation, both of them. I love the fact that Nandi made that clear, you know, I'm not Inara, you're not gonna use me to replace Inara, and that Mal was aware of that and wanted Nandi really for herself. I really appreciate that. I'm okay for the two of them that moment, you know, that night. And I don't think that Mal did it for making Inara jealous, you know. After that, when he met Inara and all, he wanted her to be jealous a little, you know. It would have pleased him, but he didn't do it to make her jealous. And Nandi, she did it because she thought that only Mal had feelings for Inara. In a way, she wanted to cure him, you know. Both of them, they know that they have feelings for each other. They didn't confess it to each other, but Nandi almost played the role of messenger between them. Slow burn ship, really. So yes, that's it. First subject, the ship. Now let's talk about the fact that it was a girl power episode. Even that was a story about wars, you know. One having a baby, so we need to save her, we need to save the situation, to kill that guy and all. Okay, that's, you know, the little adventure of this episode. But if you are thinking about it, during this episode, it was girl power no matter what. It was Inara who asked to her friends to take that mission, and they did all of that because of Inara. All of that, it was to save a woman in front of a guy who wants a kid just for himself and to mistreat the mother, you know. Nandi, she's strong, she wants to protect her girls, and she wants to defend herself, and she doesn't want to leave the place. She wants to defend that place that she built by herself and all. Even Kylie, you know, she was the one to save Wash during that moment. I really felt it like a girl power episode. Like even Nandi saying to Mal, I'm not Inara, it's her making clear to the guy, like, you're sleeping with me for me, you know. Even that, it's a girl power. The only thing which was maybe a little wrong for a girl power episode, it's all of the scenes between Jane and Is-Oh. Maybe the only thing which is good right there with Jane is the fact that it was always the same girl, you know, he didn't just take girls after girls like that. But still, you know, it's not how he treated her, because he talked to her nicely in a way. I mean, for Jane it was nicely, but still, you know, he considered her as a war, so I can't put that into a girl power mood. It's leveled down a little, the fact that I can say that this episode is a girl power episode. I'm glad that we had a story like that, because it's explaining even more the differences between companions and wars and all of that, so it's great to have a story like that. But for a story like that, to make it with a lot of girl power situations and scenes, it's great, you know, for the writers to do it like that. Because imagine this episode without these girl power moments and scenes, it would have been more complicated. I mean, morally, ethically, do you understand what I mean? I said that I wanted to talk about 3 things. Yes, the consequences of that for the next episode, of all of that. These girls, we left them, so we're not gonna have consequences about that. I don't think so. Even if, you know, I'm not sure that the wife of that guy, she's gonna be okay with her husband being killed like that. I don't know. But I don't think that we're gonna come back to that story. The consequences of that, it's gonna be Inara leaving the place. Are we gonna see it? Are we gonna have a little time jump between episodes? I would prefer to see it, because Inara, I said it a lot, I love her character because she's so sweet with everyone. We saw her having sweet moments with all of the other characters, with Simon, with the shepherd, with Kylie. She's there with everyone, she's considering everyone equal, and she's sweet and nice with everyone. So it would be nice to have her saying goodbye to all of them. I think that it would create a lot of good scenes. So yes, I would love to see her leaving the place and to see really how Mal is gonna react. Is he gonna try to make her stay? How is he gonna do it? We know Mal is not gonna do it by playing with her feelings and emotions. He's gonna do it in a sneaky way, like he's gonna plan something maybe. So yes, why not? One more episode. We didn't have anything about River during this episode. She's still, you know, her story is still the main mystery of the show. it's still the main narrative arc of the show. So maybe we're gonna have something about that during the last episode. It could be great. We'll see, and I'm gonna see that right now because I'm gonna watch the last episode today. I'm not gonna watch the movie today, I'm gonna leave that for another day, but I'm gonna finish the season today with the episode 15. So it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Crazy.